When I learned about Pinterest, I thought, oh my gosh, this is a way where you can create something that lives on forever, which on social media, everything has a shelf life of less than a week. And, if it goes viral, you might be lucky to get a week or 10 days out of it. And with Pinterest, the shelf life is forever. And I love to have the phrase intentionally lazy. I use that to describe myself. And so I like to, streamline. How can I create something now that's going to have an effect in the long term? Building bridges is what I call it. And so Pinterest is one of those things where when you create something, as long as it's optimized with keywords and phrases and things that people would look for when they're looking for what you do, then they will find you. And the pin can be 10 years old and they still could find you. And one thing I love about Pinterest is, as opposed to other social media, which is trying to keep you on the platform more or less, except with the ads, on Pinterest, it's actually a traffic driver. It's a search engine rather than social media. So think of Google. When you search something, the whole point is to find something, click it, and take you to that thing. And that's the same with Pinterest. So the point is for you to search for what you're looking for, find it, and when you click it, it takes you to the thing. So that's what I love about it, that you can create something and it can continue to work for you for a long, long time.